Okay students, again same linear equation in one variable, exercise 2.3, question number 9. Here again we will observe properly. 2x is 2y is a variable with y. Here 5 by 3 it is a constant, equal sign, then 26 by 3 is a constant and minus y is a variable. First step, bringing all the variables on the same side and taking constant on other side. So solution, we will start here. 2y, here it is in minus, when we will transpose it will become plus, sign will change, always remember that. 26 by 3, here it is in plus, so you will take it to that side, so it will become 5 by 3. Okay, now you can add directly, so it will become 3y is equals to, now here it's more easy. Whenever there are two denominators, you are supposed to take the LCM. Here both are 3, our LCM will become 3. LCM you always divide by denominator, so your answer will come 1. Whatever answer you are getting, you will multiply by upside number, means numerator, so your answer will come 26, sign as it is. Then again LCM divided by denominator, answer will come 1. Whatever answer we are getting, that we will multiply by numerator, so 1 into 5 will be 5. 3y is equals to, when we subtract, it is coming 21 upon 3. If we think properly, we can cancel it by table of 3 ones are, and 3 how many are? 3 sevens are. So here it will become 3y is equals to 7. Okay, and I will transpose, it is in multiply, so 3 will go that side, so 3 will come in divide, so it will become y is equals to 7 upon 3. This is our answer. Okay, after that, according to the question, they are asking us to check, so we will check. So for check, what we will do, we will copy the question again. So 2y plus 5 by 3 is equals to 26 upon 3 minus y. Okay, now what we will do, second step, putting the value of y. Now we will put the value of y. So what is the value of y? Value of y is coming 7 upon 3. So we will put the value here, 2 into 7 upon 3 plus 5 by 3 is equals to 26 upon 3 minus 7 upon 3. Okay, now here we cannot cancel, so we will multiply. So 2 sevens are, it will come 14 upon 3 plus 5 by 3. Here now in this question again denominators are same, so LCM will come 3 only, and as I told you LCM should be divided by denominator, means 3 से divide करेंगे, so answer will come 1. 1 into 26 will be 26 only, minus what is LCM, you will always divide it by denominator, means you will divide it by 3, so 3 divided by 3, answer is 1. 1 into 7, it will come 7. Clear? Now same process here, it is 3, LCM is 3, LCM divided by denominator means 3 divided by 3, 1 answer. Whatever answer you are getting, that you will multiply by 14, so 14 into 1 will be 14 only, plus similarly here 3 divided by 3, 1 into 5 will be 5, and when we will subtract here, we will get answer 19 upon 3, and when we will add, we will get 19 upon 3, so it is 19 upon 3, 19 upon 3, so we will write here LHS is equals to RHS. Clear to everyone? See nicely the whole question.